everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well. If not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy-MMVKBKWU presents Mint Mongoose. That's right, Mint Mongoose. I think this is my last bag. I did cancel them. This I paid for a 3-month subscription. I think this is my last one, and this is August, July. I don't know. I think I did June. No, June, because that's the one I unboxed with Jocelyn. So this is July. And what's today? The 24th. I don't like getting them so late in the month. But for those of you that are interested, Mint Mongoose is a jewelry subscription plan. It is about, comes out to be about $17 a month if you do month to month. And of course, as you buy bigger packages like 6, 9, and 12 months, it gets cheaper and cheaper. The only issue I have is that it's like $13, which is not bad, but they always charge shipping fee, and the shipping fee is not, I'm not a fan of. I think it's like $4 for shipping, and this is not a $4. Whatever, they gotta make their money somehow, right? So Mint Mongoose, I have not opened it, so yeah, there you go. What does it say? Yeah, I don't know. So Mint Mongoose, let's open it and see what we got. But I will link the information down below if you're interested. I believe they're on Cratejoy, and Cratejoy always has coupons. And also they have their own website that you can go to and see what's there. So with, this is my 3rd month. It says we're good together. In celebration of months and months of a good thing, we have included a bonus. This is a bonus goodie in this box just for you. We hope you enjoyed and look forward to many more months. See you again in 3 months for another celebration of our friendship. So every 3 months you get like a special treat. And they sent me a pin, a hairpin. And this is the same hairpin I received the last time that I subscribed. So I subscribed for 3 months, and then I stopped, and then I subscribed again because they reeled me back in with a discount. And I got the same, now I got a matching pair. As I have the other one somewhere put away. Let's see, can I put this in my hair now? Why not? You know? So I will link, oh shit, I did a bad job. So I will link everything down below if you're interested in joining them. They did change their packaging up a bit. It's now in a bigger envelope versus it used to be in a half. It was like only half of this. I think I'm covering up the wrong side. It was like this. Anyways, you always get a Werther's. These are so good. They're so caramelly. They're so just darn good. Okay. Why did I say darn good? What's happening to me? Let's see. Yeah, I think June. Yeah, I unboxed June with Jocelyn, and then I did May by myself. So these are good to keep. If you can always keep these, and if you want to send somebody a thank you, you can send them in this container. So they always send their items with a little card. It says thank you, and they always package their stuff in the mint tissue wrap that matches the seal on there of the mongoose. They also have a black version. It's called black, but it's 4 jewelry items for $20, and you get 3 jewelry items for the $17 or something like that. So they charge that shipping. It's like 13 plus shipping. Oh, so let's see. They wrapped this one up good. The last month's June's I did not care for. I did not like June's, even though I wear the necklace every now and then. I do not care for it. Oh, and you also can choose gold, rose gold, silver, or random surprise every month. So I chose silver this time around because I like silver, and it doesn't look as cheesy as the rose gold. Oh, get out. Oh, wait. It's different. Oh, I thought it was the same. So here you have 3 pieces of jewelry. And they all come individually wrapped. And they all come with the little Mint Mongoose piece of paper on there. Which is good. Are they different? They're not the same. Okay, let's start with this one. Let's get this one. Where's the... Okay, right here. Yeah, they come packaged very well. I mean, they have beautiful presentation. But let me know in the comment section, is this something you're getting? I know a few women get this as PR, which I'm not lucky enough to get, which is fine. I'll spend my money. Not as much as I used to before, but okay. So this is the chain. So this is the chain. Oh, it's a very long chain. Oh, they rapidly wrapped up the, there's the end piece. I guess it's supposed to be a moon, right? Or horns. It could be horns, right? Or is it a moon? Maybe it's a moon. I don't know. But that's the chain. It's nice and long. And it has an extension on there. Well, it goes pretty long. So you can choose anyway. And it always has a little mint mongoose, like the Swarovski, my Swarovski, the dove, not dove, the swan. This one has a mongoose on it. There you go. So that's nice. That's pretty nice. I mean, I'd wear that. So that's one. What's the next one? The next one. Here's the other one. Let's open this one. Oh, okay. What is that? Oh, this is different. See how they get you? See, last month's was not good. I did not like last month's. Let's open up this one. I love jewelry. I really do. I love all kinds of jewelry. I'll if something breaks, I'll like fix it and make something else. Betsy Johnson was like my favorite, and then now I buy nothing but Swarovski. I love them, but they could get costly too, especially when you're on a budget. It's like, nah, sister, slow down. And that's one of the reasons why I had to cancel a lot of my subscriptions, is because I put myself on a budget on a no-buy, and I canceled this one, so I won't be resubscribing to them for a while until I get my act together. These are actually kind of cute, if I can hold them right. So they, what are they supposed to be, moon? But they're hanging, and they move. So I guess if you take this part off, oh, you can wear them with or without. It looks like maybe an anchor. So like this looks like an anchor. I guess you could just wear this piece if you just want the little plain piece, or you have this piece here, which I'm assuming would go behind your ear, right? So that it can move. And then you have the back to it. So these are kind of cute. So that's that. My daughter kept saying that it looked like the jewelry came from La Garra. La Garra is a flea market. Oh, I miss her. Okay, so then, you know, we fight, argue, like mom and daughters will always do. But I didn't have a mom growing up. My mom died when I was 10. So I never had that, you know, I never had that stage where I got to fight with my mom and slam the door. I can't wait to leave and I can't wait to move out. I never had that. I didn't have that option. But so I tell my kids, you know, I wish I had that with my mom. Anyways, let's not get sappy here. One day I'll tell my story if y'all want to hear it. Got another necklace. So you wear these together? Maybe you do. That's weird. Usually we get like a bracelet or a ring. Normally in the past I have gotten a ring and then a bracelet. So I would either get a ring or a bracelet and always get a necklace and earrings. So I get, oh, okay, I see. So I guess you'd have to wear them so that it would go, Jesus, not Jesus. Jesus is my dad's name. Yeah, before you come at me, Jesus is my dad's name, okay? My dad didn't like that name because they would call him Jesus. And he's like, my name's not Jesus, it's Jesus. So he changed it to Jesse. So they would call him. But this was back in the 70s and 80s when everybody was, yeah, different game. So it goes something like this, I guess. So one goes under the other. I guess you would wear it like that. And then the earrings. I don't know. I'll figure it out. So that's the earring. That's the neck. So you get two necklaces. I guess that's how you wear it. I don't know. I'll figure it out and I'll let you know. I'll wear it and I'll put it on. So two necklaces to wear. It's actually a good set. But I won't be getting them anymore. But if you like, I will link the information down below so you get yours. Like, so two necklaces and a pair of earrings, all in silver, in a nice little package set. So let me know in the comment section, did you like it? Are you something you're getting? Did it look prettier in gold or in rose gold? Let me know down below. don't forget to hit the subscribe and the thumbs up. So anyways, thank you for hanging out with me. I truly appreciate it. You just don't know how much this means to me. And I would like to thank you all for being here and hanging out and having fun. So let me know in the comment section, is there anything else you'd like me to do, any kind of makeup looks? I'm getting my mystery boxes together, so I'll be letting you know when those will be up for grabs. And that's all I have for you today. So thank you for hanging out, and I will see you on the next one. Hasta Laterz.